Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, and it's time to take a look at the inside of the Urban Empire as we're working on the drywall now. So we're working on the drywall now. We've got all the drywall up, and now we're just mudding up the walls, doing the compounds, doing the joint compound and stuff. Here's where the old door to the old pantry was. It is now sealed off. For the new bathroom, we'll be extending the counter across and making the cabinets go across. We used to have some old arches that I don't know why we did the arches, because it actually made the home look smaller. So we've taken out the arches, we've extended all the way up to the ceiling, and that has been nice and drywalled off, and we're using the mud and joint compound to smooth it off. There's your hallway. So let's come into the original bedroom of the house, and you can see we've sealed off the old door that was there. It's got a nice new closet. All right, so let's go on into this renovated bathroom that's been redone and rearranged. You see we have a nice little shower here. Toilet will be there. And the vanity here, wall sealed up. Right here is the downstairs laundry room, made for a stackable washer and dryer. This will be a counter right here for folding your laundry, and there'll be some cabinetry. Here is the first new bedroom. Looks really nice now that everything has been drywalled up. A little darker in here since we have no light. And it's kind of a dark day outside. So here is the second entranceway to the house. We have a nice little coat closet here. A little utility closet here with a nice little storage space that goes up and under the stairs. Here is the new downstairs bathroom. And it'll be toilet there, vanity here. Now we'll come in to the second new bedroom here. Looks much nicer now that everything's been drywalled off. That is the second downstairs bedroom, new bedroom. Now here is the living room, the new living room, new living area. With your HVAC there. And then, of course, leads straight out to the garden, straight out to the war room. So we'll take you out to that war room too. Okay, it's looking beautiful, guys. I'm really excited about it. It's going to be really nice to move in. So now let's go upstairs. It's almost like a virtual tour of this home. Okay, so now we're upstairs and to the upstairs laundry room. Remember, there's gonna be Mama Gardener with my wife Daisy and my daughter Rose, so it's basically 2 families, and we've made it so it's almost like 2 homes. So that's why you have 2 laundry rooms in this house. There will be a utility sink in this one, counter coming across, and then there's where your washer and dryer will be. So washer, dryer, counter, utility sink. Okay, now let's come on out. This is going to be a linen cabinet, so that'll have cabinetry put in. Then we come on over here into Rose's room. Nice big Rose's room. She's also got a walk-in closet. Nice size closet for a little girl. And then here's Rose's bathroom. We're gonna actually put barn doors because of the way this bathroom is. You can't open the door in. And the original architect put pocket doors, but the pocket doors wouldn't really have worked either. So we're just gonna put a couple nice barn doors on these upstairs ones. Can't wait to show you that. So you come in, you'll have the vanity here, toilet right there, and a bathtub for Rose. Yes, Rose gets a bathtub. I mean, little girls need bathtubs, right? It will be the only bathtub in the house, but I think everybody can use that bath if they ever wanted to. So now this is the little hallway down to Mama and Papa's room. We'll come on into the master suite. A nice big bedroom. Really big master bedroom with a window on all 3 walls. So there's plenty of light that gets in here. Then my back window looks straight down at the garden and the war room, which is amazing. And then we come into the ensuite, where we will have a shower, toilets right there, and it'll have a vanity coming across. Real nice. Nice big vanity. And nothing like having windows in your showers, right? You can just get lots of light and take a look outside, see what's going on while you're getting ready for your day. All right, so now here is our nice big walk-in closet. This closet is huge. It's almost like having another bedroom. And this guy does not have a lot of clothes, so it's gonna be plenty of room, and it's gonna leave room in the master to just be a bed and some furniture. We won't have to have a bunch of dressers in there or anything, which is gonna be great. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the war room on a separate video, as this one's getting a little long, but I wanted to take you for an extended tour of the urban empire. Now that we have all the drywall up and it's starting to get the joint compound and the mud put up, so it's looking like a home now. We're getting close, guys. With that, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.